Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remote control your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum 5. So if you want to remote control your robot during cleaning, there is a way to do it, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and make sure that your robot is already connected to the Xiaomi Home app. If not, make sure to go through the connecting process. And after that, we're going to press on the Xiaomi Home app and then select Xiaomi Robot Vacuum. So here we are in the controls of our robot. So we have the map of the room, and then if we scroll up like this, we have more options to play around with. So the first one is station, which allows you to enable or disable some of the station's features. Then you have the start cleanup button, which starts the cleanup process. We'll get to it a little later. Then we also have area, which is pretty important because you can select which rooms or custom areas you want the robot to clean. So you can select a separate room. For example, you want the robot to clean a different room, you just select that room, and then if you want, just select another room. Pretty much all the rooms that you want to get cleaned, select them and then press done. And as you can see, area is now rooms 1. Then you have mode. So we have different modes. We have vacuuming, vacuuming and mopping, vacuuming before mopping, and mopping. Then we have the loudness of our robot. So if it's quieter, it might take a little longer to actually clean the whole area, but it will be at least quieter, so you can do it at night, for example. Then you have standard, strong, and turbo. And we have water output, which is how wet you want the mops to be during cleaning. And paths, which is how thoroughly your robot cleans the area. And then you can choose how many times the cycle repeats. So you can it does the whole cycle 2 times or 1 time. Then once you've selected everything that you want, press confirm. And then we also have the shortcuts, which are really important. You can just do different presets. And then we have scheduled cleanup, which is when you can schedule yourself when the robot automatically gets enabled, at what times. And we have smart scenes, which is just different, like also pretty much presets, I guess you could say, like automation or manual controls. So just if you want to automate your robot further, play around with that setting. So now if we start our cleanup, the robot will get activated. I'm going to pause it for now, just so it doesn't drive around. Pause. There we go. Then we also have options like, once again, area, mode, shortcuts, and we also have the return to station option. So you can automatically tap on this button and the robot will end cleaning up and return to the station. And if you, for example, change your mind, you don't want the robot to return to the station, just press stop returning, and the robot will pause in its tracks. And that is pretty much it. So these are all of the controls. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.